So guys, you've already seen the results of the motion control video. Now let me show you the complete process step by step so that you can also generate motion control videos like this. First, open your browser and search for Firefox Relay. Then open its official website. Click on Get Started, followed by Get Relay, and wait while it verifies your browser. Once the Firefox Relay interface opens, sign up using your Google account. If you see any setup screen, simply skip it. Scroll down and click on Generate New Mask, and Firefox Relay will create a new email mask for you. Copy this email because we'll use it to create our account, and remember that you can generate another email mask later if needed. Next, open the website whose link is available in the video description or pinned comment. Paste the email mask into the email field, create a password, and click Create Account. The website will send a verification email, so open the original Gmail account you used for Firefox Relay and check both your inbox and spam folder. Open the verification email and click Verify your email. Once your email is verified, your account will be activated and the dashboard will open. New accounts may receive welcome bonus credits along with daily refresh credits. In my case, I received a total of 80 credits, but your balance may vary depending on the current offer. So make sure to check your available credits on the dashboard. Now that we have our credits, let's generate our first motion control video. Go to the AI video section and select Motion Mimicry. Then, choose your preferred video model. I'm using Kling's motion model, and since Kling 2.6 uses fewer credits than Kling 3.0, I'm selecting Kling 2.6. For the resolution, I'm choosing 720p because it requires fewer credits than 1080p, although you can select 1080p if you want higher quality. Next, click Add Motion, upload your reference video, and then upload your character image. Make sure your reference video is under 15 seconds long. In the prompt section, simply type Motion Control, review all your settings, and click Generate. Before generation starts, you'll be able to see how many credits will be used. In my case, a 9-second 720p video requires around 50 credits. If the progress doesn't appear on the main screen immediately, don't worry. Just go to the History or Chat History section, open your generation, and you'll be able to monitor its processing status. Once the generation is complete, click the Download button, choose your preferred quality, and save the video to your device. That's it. Your first motion control video has been successfully created. If you face any issues during the process, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Also, don't forget to join the Telegram channel for important updates. I'll see you in the next video.